Do
I'm
this.
not ready.
Why not? It's so much fun. All right, we're about to go up the lift hill. This lift hill is gonna go up to a total of 143 feet tall. So, wow, this is kind of steep actually. It's quite actually relaxing. We got some sunny blue skies here, San Diego, always lovely. So now we're about to end the lift hill, and then we're gonna turn into the dive. Right in front of us is San Diego along with Mission Bay. So you're gonna get some great views while riding this coaster. And here is the big moment. Right in front of us is the rest of SeaWorld San Diego. Whoa! Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Whee! Oh, this is fantastic! Whee! Whoa! Whoa! All right! Whee! All right! Oh! Yeah, that was fantastic! What do you think of it, Bree?
I loved it.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, the drop down.
Yeah, this is pretty legit. What I really like about this ride is as soon as you get to the drop, the ride just pushes on you. So, yeah, highly recommend it. It's a great new addition here to SeaWorld San Diego. And come out here and check it out. It opens on March 12th. And